In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a gradient fill layer in Photoshop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a flexible, non-destructive gradient to your project, pick the best style for your design, fine-tune the look, and edit it anytime without starting over. First, open your document and head to the top menu bar. Go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Gradient. This creates a special fill layer instead of painting directly on your image, which means you can come back and adjust the gradient at any point. When the gradient fill dialog opens, you'll see options that control how the gradient behaves and how it blends across your canvas. Start by choosing a gradient style. You'll see choices like linear, radial, angle, reflected, and diamond. Linear gives you a smooth transition along a straight line, great for backgrounds or subtle fades. Radial spreads out from a center point, perfect for vignettes or glowing highlights. Angle sweeps the colors in a circular rotation, which can add dynamic motion. Reflected mirrors the gradient from the center outward, useful for symmetrical effects. Diamond radiates in a 4-point shape, ideal for spotlight-like accents. Pick the style that supports the mood and layout of your design. Next, adjust the colors, angle, and scale in the gradient fill settings. Click the gradient swatch to open the gradient editor. Here you can select a preset or create your own by moving the color stops. Double-click a color stop to change its color, and use the midpoint slider between stops to control how quickly one color blends into the next. Keep an eye on contrast so your transition looks intentional rather than muddy. Set the angle to control the direction of the gradient. You can type a precise value if you want consistency across multiple elements. Use scale to control the spread. Lower values create a tighter transition, while higher values stretch the gradient farther. If your colors appear reversed, use the reverse checkbox to swap their positions. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. You now have a gradient fill layer you can edit anytime. To make changes later, simply double-click the gradient thumbnail in the Layers panel to reopen the same settings and refine the style, colors, angle, or scale. Because this is a fill layer, your original artwork remains untouched, and you can keep experimenting until it feels just right. That's all there is.